Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with a drop-dead gorgeous 1989 F33A to tell you about. Something extra special I know you're going to appreciate. She's got an STC. She is turbo-normalized. Let's take a look. So check out this gorgeous engine with the turbo GAMI injectors. Teledyne Continental IO 550 engine, 1515 on the engine since new, but only 446 since top overhaul and since the Tornado Alley Whirlwind 2 turbo normalizing system was installed. So let's talk about some of the great features about this STC. Basically, it provides sea level pressure up to 20,000 feet. And we have greater speeds at lower altitudes. It cools better, and basically it's just more efficient. 114 gallons of usable fuel, and as you can see, we've got the DeShannon 20-gallon tip tanks. So check out your exterior. Light top design with a Matterhorn white top with black bottom and red and gold striping in drop-dead gorgeous condition. 3,024 hours on the airframe since new. A quick look at the baggage compartment. This F33A has the gross weight STC. Your useful load, 1,356. So let's check out your interior. Beautiful tan leather seats, tan sidewalls, plush gray carpet. We have a 4-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone. So let's check out your Avionics package. We have a Garmin 530 WAAS GPS Navcom. We have a Garmin 430 non-WAAS GPS Navcom. We have a Garmin Yoke mount with XM and charts. You have a COM number 3 that's a King digital COM. We have a Garmin Transponder ADSB out, traffic on board, Garmin Mode S traffic on the 530 and 430. We have weather avoidance on board with the Stormscope and your Autopilot. It's a King KFC 200 Autopilot with Flight Director and HSI. Features you will appreciate: the Whirlwind 2 Turbo-Normalizer with Rammer 2 Intercooler, 3-blade prop, gross weight STC. The front seats are wired for Bose, and you do get one Bose noise-canceling headset. XM weather, graphic engine monitor, ventilation blower system, built-in oxygen, turbo GAMI fuel injectors. And you need to know the wing Spar AD does not apply to this aircraft. This beautiful 1989 F33A is looking for a new home. Now folks, I don't need to brag any further because you can see she is drop dead gorgeous. She's got that wonderful STC Tornado Alley turbo normalized. So much to love here. Now you know Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Bonanza. We are Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. If you're interested, come and take a test drive right away because she's going to sell just like that. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thanks so much for watching.